I'm right here in Main Street and Broadway. We're gonna go ahead and cross the street.
Traveling east.
Okay, this one got distorted. Yeah, that speaker needs to be fixed, I think. Because I don't know what happened. I think like 4 months ago, I think this one was not working. But, yeah. And the other one's also not working. This one got shut down. No, but the speaker broke. But the button actually still works. So this one has 12 seconds right there. And we're gonna go ahead and cross the main street now.
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Wait. Traveling north.
North. Big
Wait,
menu.
Main Street. Walk sign is on to cross Main Street.
You know, that one's quick. And now this one has 11 seconds. How about this one? This one's still not working, I think. I already filmed this like yesterday. This one still does not work. But as you can see, the light actually works on there too. But the speaker continually got burned out for some reason. Yes, I think somebody like tampered with that, or somebody like messed around with the button, I think. I don't know what happened to it, but so it says push button for walk sign. The walk sign should be right over there. And yes, we'll be crossing Broadway again, because we already crossed Main Street like almost like 2 seconds ago. So yep. I recommend y'all, I think this sign is supposed to cover like this sign right there.
Twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, y'all, that's it.